couple offers for this. So I did grab 6 of them. That's going to bring me to $19.14. I'm going to use 6 of these $2 off of one from the Publix Green Flyer. If you want to do this deal, you have to do it quick because these do expire on Friday. I'm going to use 3 of these $5 off of 2 that came in the Sunday's Smart Source. So it's going to take off another $15. This is going to give me an overage of $7.86. But we do have an offer. I will post a picture on it because I don't have the Publix Green Flyer right now. The ones I have are all cut up and I didn't see any in the front. So I'll try to get a picture of the ones I have. So I'll get another $10 gift card for spending $25 on certain items. That's going to make it a $17 moneymaker. But then on checkout 51, they are offering $3 back for each one up to a limit of 5. Sometimes if you claim them on different rebate apps, it won't give you back the money, or if you use coupons, it won't give you back the money. But I'm going to try to submit my receipt anyways, and if it goes through, this will be like a $32 moneymaker.